Hello everybody, this is Dan Duran, Cybersecurity Risk Advisor with Rhino Cybersecurity, and we're here one more time. And today I want to talk about something very important that came out in the news on Thursday about industrial control systems. So what happened on Thursday? If we go to Hacker News, so that's where I am right now, a severe bug reported in the Ethernet industrial protocol stack was found for industrial systems. And basically, this is an advisory warning that came out from the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, the CISA, on Thursday, warning people about vulnerabilities on the OpENer Ethernet IP stack. So basically what happens in here is that it's prone to denial of service attacks, as well as data leaks and remote code execution. And for what it seems, there's 4 different vulnerabilities that were found, but the most important one is the CVE 2020-13556. And that one, it's extremely dangerous. It's a 9.8, as you can see, in terms of severity out of 10. And there are also 3 other vulnerabilities alongside that one. So if we go to the Talos website, so Cisco Talos, which is the main entity that found these vulnerabilities, we'll see the information about the vulnerability in here, the CVE 13556, and basically there's a risk of remote code execution. So what is remote code execution? It's basically the ability for a hacker to be able to enter the system and send the scripts into the operating systems or applications, level 5, layer 5, layer 6, even layer 7, and be able to control what the operating system is doing. So it is a pretty bad vulnerability. As you can see, it's a 9.8 in the CVSS scale, yeah, so that's important to take into account this. So what do you have to do to be able to fix this? You just had to patch your applications. So this seems to happen for any stack that is prior to, I believe, February 2021. So if you have a stack, there you go. So this is it. So February 10th, 2021. So any system that have not been updated, you need to do that. And why is it important? So let's say I go to my Shodan here. This is my Shodan application, and I just did a quick search for Ethernet IP by country US, and I find 1,125 entries on Ethernet IP. So these are actually IP addresses that are connecting to control systems that potentially can be exploited from a hacker's perspective. And if I search, for example, for CA in Canada, then you would see that is I think it's 100 and something IP addresses that are exposed in Canada. There you go, 166 addresses that are exposed. So these are the results from Shodan. It doesn't really give you an entire number of the population of vulnerable systems or systems that are using Ethernet IP, but you can see how as a hacker, I would have access to all of these IPs, and then the next step in here will be to start scanning to see if that vulnerability is present, and then after that, they know producing an attack. So by patching this software, this stack, you prevent this attack from happening. So I hope this helps you a little bit in your industrial control systems if you are out there and listening to this talk, and go ahead and patch it up. That's all I got for today, and I'll see you next time. Take care.